Welcome to Assessified's admin portal.
From your dashboard, you can view the number of assessments created, the total tutors and students added, the number of online tests conducted, and your school's average passing rate, all at a glance. You can use the bulk upload option to add all your students and teachers in one go. Pick a date range and see how often your teachers are actually assessing. Formative, summative, all of it. Right here, class and section averages show you exactly where performance stands. The All Assessments tab puts every test your teachers have created in one place. Filter by class, subject, status, or date, and find any assessment, past or present, in seconds. You can even create one yourself and assign it directly to whatever class you like. No time to build from scratch? The Templates tab is full of ready-to-use assessments. Pick one, assign it to any class, done. Every course book your school has uploaded lives in the library, ready to reuse anytime. You can also add your own PDFs and build board-aligned assessments from them in minutes. Let's head over to the Reports tab, where decisions get made. Assessment reports, individual student performance, teacher insights, class-wide grade reports. Everything you need to know exactly how your school is really doing. You can add and manage every class in your school right from here. Same goes for students. Add them, manage them, all in one screen. Add your tutors, assign them to classes based on what they teach, and if one of them's ready for more responsibility, promote them to a coordinator's role. Can't be everywhere at once? Add a sub-admin and let them help run the show when you're not around. From here, see all your coordinators at a glance, or add a new one. You can also check your current plan, free or paid, from the Plans tab. And if you want visibility into how your teachers and students are communicating, the Messages tab shows you the full picture. You can also book a consultation with the Assessified team right from your dashboard. That's it, your admin journey summed up. Every teacher, every student, every result, managed from one place. That's the Assessified Admin Dashboard.